You might be quite interested in knowing about artificial intelligence or AI. Today we are going to discuss all about AI or artificial intelligence, its application and its type. So let's get started. Before going into deep, we would discuss some basic concept of AI. So what is AI? To define the term AI or artificial intelligence, we have to define these two words, artificial and intelligence. So what is artificial? As we all know, the word artificial means man-made or not natural. And intelligence can be defined as the ability to learn, understand and make judgment, or another way, intelligence can be defined as the ability to learn facts and skills and apply them, especially when this ability is highly developed. Therefore, combining the meaning of these two words, artificial and intelligence, we can define artificial intelligence or AI as the ability of the machine to exhibit intelligent human-like behavior, or in another way, AI can be defined as the field of computer science deal in developing intelligent machine which can perform tasks normally done by human beings. In 1956, Dartmouth Artificial Intelligence Conference gave birth to the new field of science which we call today as AI. The term AI was first coined by John McCarthy, an American scientist. In 1956, John McCarthy invited many of the leading researchers of the time in the wide range of advanced research topics such as complexity theory, language simulation, neural nets, abstraction of content from sensory input, relation of randomness to creative thinking, and learning machine. This conference was the largest gathering on the topic that had yet taken place and laid down the foundation for an ambitious vision that has affected research and development in engineering, mathematics, computer science, and many other fields ever since. This conference and the concept it crystallized gave birth to the field of AI as a wide area of interdisciplinary research. Talking more about AI focused chiefly on following component of intelligence. Number 1, learning. Learning is distinguished into number of different forms. The simplest form is learning by trial and error. Number 2, reasoning. Number 3, problem solving. Problem solving, particularly in AI, may be defined as a systematic search through a range of possible action in order to reach some intended goal or solution. Number 4, perception. Number 5 is language understanding. Important area of AI application include expert system, natural language processing, computer vision, robotic, intelligent computer, assistant instruction, automatic programming, planning and decision support. Today, there are many systems which uses AI, but major example of AI includes email spam filter, smart email categorization in your mailbox, banking and finance, face and speech recognition technique, online shopping search engines, Netflix, YouTube and Amazon recommendation, smart personal assistants such as Apple's Siri, Alexa, Cortana, Google self-driving car, video games, IBM Watson, online telephone customer care service. Now let's discuss about types of AI. There are two types of AI exist. Number 1, strong AI or full AI. Number 2, weak AI or narrow artificial intelligence. Strong AI is a term used to describe a certain mindset of artificial intelligence development. Strong AI goal is to develop artificial intelligence to the point where the machine capability is functionally equal to human's brain. Strong artificial intelligence is a type of machine intelligence that is equivalent to human intelligence. The key features of strong AI includes the ability to reason, solve puzzles, make judgment, plan, learn and communicate. Strong AI is also called as true intelligence or artificial general intelligence or AGI. Weak AI or narrow artificial intelligence is defined as an AI system which is designed and trained for a particular task. Virtual personal assistants such as Apple, Siri, Cortana we have discussed earlier are the example of weak AI. Weak AI stimulate human cognition and benefit mankind by automating time-consuming tasks and by analyzing data in ways that humans sometimes can't. What we know about AI is it was noticed by general people when John McCarthy introduced the term AI at Dartmouth conference, but it was also exist before John McCarthy coined the word AI, but AI was just an unknown field. In 1943, McCulloch and Peets developed Boolean circuit mode of brain. In 1950s, early AI programs, example Siemens checker program, Galanter's geometry engine, general problem solver. In 1956, the greatest event in the history of AI took place, the Dartmouth Conference. The term AI or artificial intelligence was developed and the field was born. In 1956, Robinson introduced complete algorithm for logical reasoning. In 1969 to 79, early development of knowledge-based system introduced. From 1980 to 88, expert system industry booms. From 1988 to 1903, expert system industry eventually burst. After 1993, neutral system returned to popularity. In 1997, another remembering event in the history of AI took place. A computer, Deep Blue, made by International Business Machine or IBM, defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov in chess match. In 2003, human-level AI back on the agenda. In 2011, IBM made another AI system called IBM Watson. It was actually a weak AI system who wins Jeopardy. Now, today, Google is working on driverless car project which he had named Waymo. The project was begun in 2009. Now let's talk about programming language used for AI. At the early when the term AI was didn't coined, Newell and Simon worked on the logic and GPS and developed their information processing language IPL, a computer language tailored for AI programming. In 1960, John McCarthy combined the element of IPL with the lambda calculus to produce the programming language called LISP. The logic programming language Prolog was developed by Alan at the University of France, but the language was first implemented in 1973. Prolog was further developed by the logician called Robert, who was a member of AI group at the University of Edinburgh. Python is widely used for AI with a number of applications including machine learning, natural language processing, and neural networks. MATLAB is another programming language used for AI. MATLAB is a multi-paradigm numerical computing environment and fourth-generation programming language. MATLAB allows metric manipulation, plotting of function and data, implementation of algorithm, creation of user interfaces with the program written in another language, including C, C++, Java,